Welcome if you're new, and welcome back to the MoonShot Money channel, where we're trying to build wealth by multiplication, not addition. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give much more. Because if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. Synthetic biology. I know it sounds crazy, but it's drawing serious comparisons to the internet of a generation ago. We haven't talked about a SPAC for several weeks, but this one is too good not to mention. Soaring Aquisition, ticker SRNG. Seriously, if you are a serious investor, this is a must-watch video. What's all the fuss about? GINKGO BIOWORKS is the company, and synthetic biology is the investigation. This investment is a winner. I'm Chase, and this is the MoonShot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! Always do your own due diligence before you buy any shares of anything. We're certainly not financial or tax advisors. Biology by design. On GINKGO BIOWORKS website, they say, biology is the most advanced manufacturing technology on the planet. We program cells to make everything from food to materials to therapeutics. Jason Kelly is the CEO, and when you finish this video, you need to go find an interview by him and watch it. I mean that. He is extremely impressive. As an investor, he gives you a lot of confidence about what's happening. He was a PhD from MIT in chemical engineering and biological engineering. Recognizable names like Bill Gates and Cathie are seriously investing in synthetic biology companies. Companies like GINKGO BIOWORKS are promising the ability to program the DNA of microorganisms just like they were computers. Just wow. Let me read a direct quote to you from Rick Schottenfeld, the general partner of the Schottenfeld Opportunities Fund. Listen to this. This is what it might have been like, say, 25 years ago, if some guy had walked up to you and said that the internet was going to be an amazing investment and you had no idea what he was talking about. This is where we are with synthetic biology. GINKGO is set to go public in this quarter through a merger with Soaring Aquisition. So what is synthetic biology? The process blends biotechnology and industrial chemistry, and it isn't an easy idea to wrap your mind around. The magic of biology, GINKGO CEO Jason Kelly said, is that cells run on something like a computer's digital code instead of zeros and ones. The cell runs on 4 DNA-based pairs. Think of synthetic biology as hijacking the natural biology of the cell and reprogramming it to produce something of interest, said one analyst. Programming DNA? That's just crazy. They say it's harder than programming computers, but progress is being made very quickly. With impressive DNA coding capabilities already, GINKGO views itself as, listen now, the industry's Amazon Web Services, working with companies in consumer, pharmaceutical, and agricultural areas to design microorganisms and cells from mammals to make desired products or drugs. Here's the information that has big money's attention. GINKGO BIOWORKS provided help to Moderna in its development of the COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, that's some really big news right there. GINKGO is looking to build a platform to make biology and cells as easy to program as computers, says Christy Gibson, a portfolio manager at Bailey Gifford, which is buying stock in GINKGO as part of the SPAC deal. With an all-star investing lineup, GINKGO has generated the most buzz out of the 3 synthetic biology plays. Based on the SPAC transaction, it has the highest market value of the 3 at about $18 billion. Its projected 2021 revenue, however, is very modest, about $100 million. But keep listening. GINKGO generates revenue from allowing computers to use its cell programming infrastructure. In a presentation, GINKGO projected that cell programming revenue would rise to $1.1 billion in 2025 from $100 million this year. GINKGO CEO Kelly says this revenue understates the value creation because of the royalties or the equity stakes in its customers, which the company put at roughly $500 million. GINKGO projected that it could have over 500 partner programs by 2025, up almost tenfold from right now. Investors can buy Soaring Eagle at around $10 a share, which is the same price several prominent investing firms, including Cathie ARK Invest Management and Bailey Gifford, an early backer of Tesla, agreed to invest $775 million as part of the SPAC merger with GINKGO. Full transparency here. We have started buying in the last 2 days at $10 per share. Kelly said, "We are effectively an app store or ecosystem for folks to write, sell programs and bring them to market. We improve with scale. The more programs we develop, the better it gets. It's a network effect. Sometimes we'll spend a little time tracking ARK Invest buys on a particular stock. So here you go. ARKK now owns over 7.6 million shares of Soaring Eagle, and ARKG owns 8.8 million shares. That's over $164 million invested in GINKGO BIOWORKS. ARK Invest first began purchasing shares of the SPAC on August 3rd, according to its daily trading updates. That's some serious accumulation. Just yesterday, on August 10th, 2021, CNBC introduced a story with the headline reading, "Cathie Wood is loading up on this synthetic biology stock in August." People are starting to really pay attention here. News is quickly piling up on this great company, like this story from yesterday about Alteron, a premier manufacturing partner in the global genetic medicine field. Alteron's industry-leading products and services are the foundation for some of the most exciting advances in biological science today, said Jason Kelly, CEO of GINKGO BIOWORKS. This partnership represents a momentous growth opportunity for Alteron as it continues to bolster its already expansive portfolio of products, and an exciting milestone for GINKGO as we continue to expand our capabilities into the pharmaceutical ecosystem. Alteron has been a great partner with us on improving VCE, which we see as a key ingredient to scaling mRNA production globally. In English, that's good news for vaccines. Needless to say, SRNG, or Soaring Eagle Acquisition, GINKGO BIOWORKS, is on some big money's radar. This video has been a little technical, but we hope you've enjoyed the information. There's so much more that we could have said, but we'll come back with another video on that very soon. Make sure to subscribe on your way out and hit that like button. It really does help with the algorithm. Follow us over on Twitter at MoonShot Money 1 for all the latest. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you on the moon.